is going to cool.
Okay, I'm gonna throw this iPhone.
3GS broken. Show him the back, yo.
Yeah, but I'm gonna throw it again. I feel like it.
Alright, throw it that way. Yeah. Can I throw it?
Yeah, sure.
Oh, yeah.
Do any damage?
What?
Did it do any damage?
Couple scratches.
Oh, dang.
Yeah.
Oh, dude. Oh,
Yeah.
oh, dude, bro.
Wait, let me see it. Oh, man. Dude, will you get in trouble for doing this?
No, it's broken.
Oh. Yeah. You get that part.
It's hot.
Dude, this is the real screen under here. It's a real screen of an iPhone.
Throw it again.
Oh, dang.
That was cool.
Hold on. Let me throw it like this. Yes! Oh, this beast.
I'm keeping
What
it.
is this, like X-ray? I did it, I keep it. It's a piece of crap.
I feel bad for the iPhone.
Come on. Yeah, dude, film this. Come on. Put all the pieces right here. So this crappy. Son of a... Hold, please.
Oh, beard.
Oh,
A pretty bird. Oh my god, I can't fly.
dude, stop, man. Ain't funny. Dude, stop. You can hop very good.
Oh god.
That's hilarious.
I don't want to step on it. Okay, get my mom.
Gotta go home, mama.
I want you, stupid bird. Can you fly?
I want to touch it. I want to touch it.
Don't run away.
Dang, I fell. If you run away again, I'll throw a rock at you.
No,
Yeah,
don't kill a bird.
Oh my god! Give me a rock!
Stupid, leave. Have a leave. Don't run away.
Don't, man. I don't want to be
Here, don't scare it.